Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it's time to do a what's in my bag as I switch bags. So I am going to be switching from this cute bag with my monogram on it to this cute bag that I just got from the Coach outlet. So I did a video of my Coach haul so you guys can see that, but let's go ahead and see what's in my bag. So I'm going to move this down a little bit so you might not be able to see me so much, but that's not what this is about, right? So I have a small little Tennessee notebook that I use to keep notes in and things of that nature. I have a pen in here so that I can keep track of that. I have a creamy cheesy spaghetti bake recipe. I have some pictures of my four-legged friends and my two-legged husband. And I know my kids are in here somewhere. Oh, they're up here. My kids and my friends, and yeah, just all sorts of fun things in here. I might do a video on this, or I might not. I don't know. I mean, I keep personal things in here too, but I think I could do it where I could not show that stuff, but I'm not sure. I've done videos on this before, so you guys can see those. But it is just a fun little notebook to keep in my bag that shows, my husband went outside, I wasn't sure what that was, that I can keep lists in and things like that. So I really do like having that in my bag. And I need to clean this out badly anyway. I have a really cute pen bag, and I have some pins in there, go figure, in my pen bag. Ooh, this one's like totally unscrewed. So a Sharpie, an inner gel, and just a good old trusty Bic. I also have some CVS coupons, which you can never have enough of, right? The receipts in there are crazy. I'm sure that these are all expired. Yes, expired in April. I have a Take Coffee With You notepad that I don't think I'm going to carry in here, just because I seem to be like ruining it and I don't want to do that. And then I have a bill from the animal hospital for Taz's medicine. I have a bar wrapper. These bars are really good. Cranberry almond Elevation. It's from Aldi. It's really good. Oh, and here's another pen. Let me put that in my pen bag. And that's it in the front pocket. So then let's go to the back pocket. The back pocket, I have a letter and a note for my son, or not a letter, but two pieces of mail for my son, which I don't think I need to keep in there anymore, so I'm going to move that over there. Then, ouch, something poked me. Oh, I have a empty 2019 graduation thing. I have some wall painting stuff so I can match the walls. I need to take that to Sherwin-Williams. I have a light, which is also a magnifying glass that someone gave me, a note of things I need to do, which I've done. Oh, I have one of these little guys to take to work. It is a keeper for your cord, a cord keeper for your phone. And then in the very back pocket, I have my badge for work with this cute little pen that holds it. I have my iPad, AirPods, whatever those are called, a little pocket knife that I got at the farmer's market. And that is everything in the back. So now I have the middle. Oh, I didn't show you these though. And then in the back I also have my makeup bag, which just has lipsticks and lotions in it. So I keep lots of different lipsticks and lotions in here. And I also have a fingernail file. And a sticker. And then in this one, these are both from Etsy. No, Ipsy. I have a spare pair of glasses and some drink mix, some Kleenex, some more lotion, some wipes just to have, and some gum, some Altoids, another fingernail file, and some wipes for my glasses, and a little thing of medicine. So this is my just in case you need it bag, and the other bag is my makeup bag. Flatten that out a little bit. And then in the middle pocket of this, I have my wallet, a receipt, some money, a Target receipt that I need to keep, some expired coupons that I can throw away, oh, Apple Watch, another unused gift card, or empty gift card, a business card, and a receipt to Hobby Lobby. Getting there. Another expired thingy. A receipt for the zoo. And a receipt for chips and salsa. And that is everything. So now my bag is empty, and I will keep this one and use it again another time. I really do like this bag. It's a cute bag. And let's see how I'm going to fill this one. Oh, I have my umbrella in here, which I'm not going to keep in there. And I also have the chain. So let's see. In the middle zipper part, I'm going to put my wallet. So I'm going to open that up and put my wallet in here. And you guys might be interested in what I have in my wallet, but I'm not sure there's anything too exciting. There's a receipt that I'm going to throw away, a little bit of cash. That's it. Not much. So I'm going to put that in the middle section. I like to keep that like double zippered. And also I'm going to put these in there because I like to keep those double zippered. And this because I don't get into it very much. And I don't know. You know what? I think I'm going to put this in here actually. Because this is my just in case. I'm going to put that in the back. And then my lipstick and makeup I think I'll put in the front. Oh no, this bag is smaller than my other one. This I want to take to work. And I'm going to put this in my just in case bag too. It is nice having things in bags because then you can just take the bag out and you've got it all. And I'm going to put my badge in the back pocket thing that it has. And I need to just take these and get these refilled. So I'm going to put that in the bottom of the middle part. And this I would like to carry if I can. I'm going to try to put it in the front. No, I'm going to try to put it in the back with the things that I don't get it to very much. And I don't know that I like it in there. This bag bag is kind of small. I could put them both in sideways like that, but I don't know that I like that. And my pins I'm going to put up here with my lipstick. And this guy I'm just going to put right in there and close that. I'm going to put these with my scrapbook or whatever planner stuff. Gosh, I wonder if I can condense this into something smaller and put this in my work bag, because I would like to carry this. I would like to carry this stuff too. Maybe I don't need all of this in my bag. I probably don't need an extra pair of glasses. I do want the tissue and everything though. Will the glasses make it that much smaller? Let's see. Because if I have glasses on my face, I don't really need them. I'm trying here, guys. Really trying. Struggling. I can close it. So I don't know, that might work. I don't like how it is though. But which one of these would I not want to carry? I like having my notes around. But I also like having my things available, because you never know when you need this stuff. And I do go to it. Maybe not often, but often enough. Alright, I'm going to keep that in here. There we go. So here is my new bag. It's a little smaller than maybe I'd like, because it doesn't fit all my stuff. I don't have this in there. But I can put this in my work bag, I suppose. Because usually when I'm making a list, it's usually something. But that's not true, because if I'm going out somewhere. I don't know. I'm still thinking. Maybe I could put it in the zipper pocket underneath my wallet. Struggling getting it buttoned though, or snapped. That's better though. It's better. And then when I open it, I'll try to show you. When I open it, the first thing I see is my wallet, which isn't all bad because that's usually what I need. And then underneath it is that stuff. I think I'm going to try that for a little bit and see how I like it. See if that works for me. And if it does, then yahoo. And if it doesn't, then I'll have to figure something else out. I don't know how I just had this working out fine and now I can't close it. Oh, there. I think that's better. I have to put that little book thing in the middle. There we go. And it is still a little hard to snap on the sides, but maybe that's just because I don't have a good handle for it yet, like a good idea on how to snap it. Yeah, there we go. It's heavy though. But that's what you get when you're using Coach. Sometimes they do get a little heavy, but I like them. And I like that it has this or the strap, however I want to do it. And I am just going to put these over somewhere else so I don't have to worry about them. But yay! Mama's got a brand new bag. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. There's the whole bag. Yay! Bye-bye.